Today I'm going to discuss the best way to work with wholesalers so that you get the best deal on your next flip. Coming right up. When you're flipping as many houses as I am, you need a constant stream of deals headed your way. Yes, you want to get good at sourcing your own deals, but if you know how to do basic due diligence and create lasting relationships, you can have a whole team of quality wholesalers bringing you great deals as well. Let's go over how to set up yourself for success. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe. I'm working hard on this channel to bring you my 40 years of experience. I've been a broker, mentor, and investor. I want to help the new and experienced investor create the life they've always wanted through real estate. Let's jump on in. Let's talk about how to find wholesalers. A great way is to get on Facebook. Find groups on Facebook that do wholesaling, agents groups as well that may have some what they call pocket listings. Craigslist is another great source to go find some great deals. All these sources, I want you to send out your email so that you're automatically on their list and they're sending you property. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to get the best deals sent to you first. Always do your own due diligence. Many times ARVs are inflated, rehab costs are less than desirable. So make sure that you're out there doing your own due diligence. What sort of deals are you looking for? Condos, single family, multifamily? Let me know down below. Let's talk about what wholesalers are looking for. They're looking for speed, they're looking for proof of funds, and they're looking to see how quickly you can close on a deal. Make sure that you offer what you're willing to pay. This means running your own numbers so that you're sure that this is the amount that you can pay. When it's all said and done, the best way to find great deals from wholesalers is to get on top of their list. Wholesalers generally make their money with volume. For this reason, wholesalers often take their leads to their go-to buyers. After that, they often blast it out to their entire email list. You want to be on top of that list. Wholesalers get a bad rap for overestimating the ARV, underestimating the rehab, or even timelines. Oftentimes, this is because there is a low barrier for entry. This invites a lot of novice or rookie investors, but don't write them off completely. Just like everything in real estate, the relationships that you build may bring you the greatest deal ever. Communicate with your favorite wholesalers. Tell them exactly what you're looking for, down to the criteria. Talk to your favorite wholesalers. Tell them what you're looking for. You may end up with a whole team of people looking for your next deal. What I like to do, and if you're a more seasoned investor, help train or mentor new investors so that they can bring you the best deals possible. If you want to find out more about deals, click on this video right here. I break down the best way to source your own leads. And as always, thank you for watching and feel free to reach out to me anytime.